Ever found yourself stuck without a way to charge your Garmin golf watch just when you need it most? Whether you own the Approach S1, Forerunner 110, or Forerunner 210, having a dependable charging and data cable is essential to keep your device ready for the course and your data up to date. I recently helped a close friend replace his lost Garmin charging clip, and it made me realize how important this small accessory really is. My friend got a Garmin S1 GPS golf watch for his 53rd birthday, and since we play golf regularly, it quickly became his go-to for measuring distances on the course. But when he lost the original charging clip, he stopped wearing the watch for weeks. That's when I found this exact replacement charging data clip on Amazon. It was the perfect match, just like the original, and arrived in just 2 days. He was genuinely surprised and grateful. It's the kind of thoughtful fix that keeps your gear working without hassle. This charging data clip isn't just about power, it's about convenience. Plug it into your computer's USB port to recharge your Garmin and transfer your data seamlessly. Plus, if you want to charge without a computer, it pairs with an optional AC adapter, sold separately. The best part? It's affordable, reliable, and designed specifically for your Garmin model, so you don't have to worry about compatibility or slow charging times. If you're someone who relies on your Garmin watch to improve your game or track your fitness, this charging clip is a simple solution that keeps you on track. No more missed rounds or lost data because of a dead battery. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free way to keep your Garmin powered and synced. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup. With fast shipping and a perfect fit guaranteed, this clip makes a subtle but essential difference. Keep your Garmin ready to go, because every shot counts.